Hello everybody, and welcome back to another Minecraft modding tutorial for version 1.19. In this tutorial we are going to be covering paintings, so let's just get started. Let's create a new class in our init package and let's call this painting init. This will first need a deferred register as usual. Now paintings are really simple, so for paintings we register a painting variant. I'm going to call this paintings is equal to deferred register dot create forward registries dot painting variants and then tutorial mod dot mod id. Then we can just go public static final registry object of type painting variant, and I'll call this example. So I actually have two paintings for this, so I'm actually going to name them accordingly. Desert underscore painting is equal paintings dot register, and then this will just be the name of your painting. So mine is going to be called desert, and then it will be a supplier of a new painting variant. Now this will just have two integers as the parameters. These integers are the width and the height. So for my first painting, my width is going to be 16 and my height is also going to be 16. So this number here is actually the number of pixels. It's weird that it's not the number of blocks. I don't know why that is. But essentially 16 is one block. So 16 by 16 is a 1 by 1 block. As I will demonstrate now with my second painting, which we will just create here, so painting variant. My second painting is a never painting, is equal paintings dot register never, and then a supplier of a new painting variant, and this one is going to be 32 by 16. Because it is 2 blocks long and 1 block high. You can obviously have any size you want. You can have 32 by 32. You can go all the way up to 64 by 64 if you wish. That is just what you need. I'm actually going to remove these underscore paintings here just to keep things consistent. The final thing you need to make sure you go ahead and do is that you have the texture in the right place. So let's come to resources, and if you go to assets, textures, you need to make sure it is in a folder named painting, not plural. And in here you just have your two files, which you need to ensure are the same names as these here. Now I thought that was the final thing. Of course that's not the final thing. I just remembered the one thing we have forgotten here, and that is obviously to register the bus as necessary. So paintings init dot paintings dot register bus, and I'm just going to remove that import which I accidentally added. There we go. So now we can run the game and see our beautiful paintings. Alright, so that did not work. I've just spent quite a while trying to figure out exactly what the issue was. It turns out there is a placeable tag that we have to go ahead and put our paintings in. So for some reason, by default, paintings are not placeable. It's a little bit weird. But basically we need to go into our Minecraft folder, and inside of tags, then there is a new category of tags, and that is painting underscore variant, and inside of there we can create a new file, and that is called placeable.json. okay, and in here we just want to first say that we don't want to replace it, so replace false, and also values in there. And then we just need to say what paintings we want to be placeable. So tutorial mod, colon, what were they? Deserts. and tutorial mod : never. So yeah, I think it's stupid that you have to add your paintings to a tag just to let them be placeable, but that's just how it is, I guess. Apparently it's because there are 4 paintings that aren't placeable, the earth, wind and water and fire paintings, which I had not heard about until about 20 minutes ago, or about 5 minutes ago. So big thanks to Gigahertz on Discord for helping me out with that one. But we should now be able to run the game, and it should finally work. So here we are in the game. After a little bit of placing, I have managed to get my 1x1 painting. I'll just try and get it again if I can. God, I keep doing that. I keep breaking the... There you go, I got it again. So that's our first painting. The second painting was... Oh, that one. I didn't expect that to come so easily. Is there a way that I can get another one? Yeah, there you go. So just to check. And there's our 2 paintings. Fantastic. I mean, what can you say? I know it's not great art. I spent like 5 minutes on both of these. But yeah, so I hope you guys did... Oh, what on earth did I just press? F4? What the hell did I just press? Okay. Anyways, I hope you guys did find this tutorial useful. If you did, please do be sure to smash your face into that like button and subscribe. If you really enjoyed or found it useful, please do be sure to share it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Goodbye.